If you've ever wondered how to make your home look luxurious without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 9 simple and budget-friendly hacks that instantly make your home look expensive, stylish, and high-end. So grab your notebook. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Add layers with textures. Luxury is all about depth and comfort. Mix different textures, like a soft rug, velvet cushions, or a knitted throw. Even if your furniture is simple, layering fabrics adds that cozy, expensive vibe. Stick to neutral or warm tones for a calm, classy look. Hack number 2. Use large statement art. Instead of hanging many small frames, go for one large statement piece. It makes your space feel polished and intentional. Can't afford real art? Print a high-quality photo or abstract art and frame it. Instant elegance. Hack number 3. Upgrade your lighting. Lighting can change everything. Swap out old bulbs for warm white light and add a stylish floor lamp or chandelier. Even a simple lamp with a gold or matte black finish can make your space feel designer level. Hack number 4. Keep it clutter-free. Expensive homes always look clean and organized. Use trays, baskets, and boxes to hide small items. Less clutter equals more luxury. And remember, a tidy space instantly feels more expensive. Hack number 5. Add a touch of greenery. Plants are like instant life for your home. Use tall indoor plants or simple vases with fresh leaves. Even faux plants work if maintained well. Greenery adds freshness and that high-end designer feel. Hack number 6. Change your hardware. You don't need new furniture, just change the handles or knobs. Swap old ones with gold, black, or brushed nickel finishes. This tiny detail can completely upgrade your cabinets or drawers. Hack number 7. Use mirrors to add space. Mirrors reflect light and make your home look bigger and brighter. Choose elegant frames or round mirrors to add style. They also double as beautiful decor pieces. Hack number 8. Add curtains the right way. Hang curtains high and wide to make windows look taller and rooms feel larger. Choose simple, flowy fabrics in neutral shades. It's one of the easiest ways to give your home that luxury hotel look. Hack number 9. Keep a signature scent. Luxury isn't just about looks, it's also about how it feels. Use candles, diffusers, or fresh flowers for a clean, consistent scent. When your home smells amazing, it feels amazing. And there you have it, 9 simple hacks to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Backhand index pointing down. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a home design tip.